Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef bone broth in your Instant Pot. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of beef bones, such as marrow or knuckle bones, for a rich base. We'll also use 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and a few garlic cloves. To help extract minerals, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Finally, include 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black peppercorns. These simple items are all you need to begin your flavorful broth journey. Now, let's build some incredible flavor. Begin by roasting your beef bones in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial step deepens their taste and color. While the bones are roasting, you can sauté your chopped vegetables, the onion, carrots, celery, and garlic directly in the Instant Pot on the sauté setting for about 5 minutes. This gentle cooking softens them slightly and releases their aromatic compounds, preparing them perfectly for the next stage of our delicious bone broth. With your bones roasted and vegetables sautéed, it's time for the Instant Pot to work its magic. Carefully place all the roasted bones and sautéed vegetables into the pot. Now, add enough water to completely cover everything. This usually means about 12 to 16 cups. Secure the lid, set the Instant Pot to high pressure, and cook for 120 to 240 minutes. For the richest flavor and clarity, always allow a natural pressure release once cooking is complete. This slow release is key. Once your broth has naturally released pressure and cooled slightly, it's time for the final steps. Carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, ensuring you catch all the small bits. Discard the cooked solids as their work is done, leaving you with a beautiful, golden, nutrient-rich broth. Let the broth cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.